As the screen lights up, a cartoon-styled chef foodie avatar springs to life, popping out from the corner with a friendly wave and a warm smile. His chef hat sits jauntily on his head, and his eyes sparkle with the promise of culinary adventures to come. "Hello, food lovers!" he greets, his voice full of excitement and anticipation. "Welcome to your gastronomic journey into the world of unique flavors. I'm Chef Foodie, your guide and companion on this delicious adventure. We're about to explore some of the most intriguing combinations in the culinary world, so buckle up and prepare your taste buds for a ride they won't forget. Remember, I'm not just your virtual chef, I'm your friend in the kitchen, here to help you push boundaries and create magic with food." With that, Chef Foodie gets ready to go, setting the stage for the culinary journey that is about to begin. Stay tuned, because up next, we're going to welcome you to our Culinary Recipe Creations channel. Chef Foodie Avatar sounds off again, this time with an energetic, funny move and a wide-eyed smile. Hey there, foodies! Welcome to Culinary Recipe Creations, your one-stop channel for all things delicious and innovative. I'm your guide on this delectable journey, a food-loving avatar who lives for the thrill of new flavors and unique combinations. If you're ready to step outside your comfort zone, to explore and experiment with unexpected pairings, then you've come to the right place. We're not just about recipes, we're about creating culinary experiences that will leave you wanting more. If this sounds like your kind of adventure, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a like. Comment and share this video with everyone that you know. It's time to buckle up, folks, because we're about to take your taste buds on a wild ride. Next up, we're diving into the intriguing world of food combinations. Stick around, you won't want to miss this. I'm the Chef Foodie Avatar from Culinary Recipe Creations. I'm here to tell you about some of the best combination recipes that exist in the culinary industry that are rarely heard of. Hello again, fellow food adventurers. Our culinary journey takes an exciting turn as we introduce our first unconventional duo, the peanut butter and pickle sandwich. You heard it right. This unlikely pair has been causing a buzz in the food community for quite some time now. Some say it's the perfect balance of sweet and sour, creamy and crunchy, while others are still skeptical. But here at Culinary Recipe Creations, we believe in trying before judging. So let's roll up our sleeves, gather our ingredients, and dive headfirst into creating this intriguing sandwich. Who knows, you might just discover your new favorite snack. Stay tuned, because this is where the culinary magic begins. As we move on to the next recipe, Chef Foodie Avatar talks about what he's cooking while using a chocolate bar and a piece of cheese as his ingredients. Welcome back, food explorers. You might be wondering, what's next? You guessed it. Our next unusual pairing is the indulgent combination of chocolate and cheese. He begins to explain, when it comes to pairing food, it's all about balancing flavors and textures. The creamy, slightly salty cheese complements the sweetness of the chocolate, creating a unique flavor profile that's both surprising and delightful. He takes a bite of the chocolate and cheese together, closing his eyes in appreciation. It's a symphony of flavors. The rich, creamy cheese enhances the sweetness of the chocolate, while the chocolate brings out the subtle, savory notes in the cheese. He encourages the viewers to try this unusual pairing, reminding them that food is all about experimentation and fun. So, are you ready to embark on this culinary adventure? Let's dive right into the next scene, where we'll show you how to create this indulgent treat. Next, our Chef Foodie Avatar is back, this time deciding to use a strip of crispy bacon and a jar of sweet, rich jam for his next fun recipe. Before we wrap up, here's another peculiar yet exciting combination for you, bacon and jam. Yes, you heard it right. The smoky, savory taste of bacon teams up with the sweet and fruity notes of jam to deliver an exciting melody of flavors. For this recipe, we'll be using crispy fried bacon and a dollop of strawberry jam. It's a breakfast sandwich that takes you on a culinary adventure right from the comfort of your own kitchen. So, the next time you're looking for a unique breakfast option, give this bacon and jam sandwich a try. It's not just food, it's an experience, a culinary journey. It's a testament to the magic of food combinations. It's sweet, it's salty, it's bacon and jam. And as we bring this culinary journey to a close, Chef Foodie Avatar bids you all farewell. But remember, dear viewers, the end of this video is just the beginning of your own food adventure. Now that you've seen some of the unusual combinations, it's your turn to try them out. Dare to step out of the traditional culinary boundaries. Whether it's the peanut butter and pickle sandwich, the chocolate and cheese morsels, or the bacon and jam sandwich, each combination holds a unique story. They are not just food, they are experiences waiting to explode in a symphony of flavors in your mouth. So go ahead, try these combinations, and who knows, you might just find your new favorite dish. Remember, the world of food is vast and full of surprises. All it takes is a little creativity and a lot of courage. Also, remember to comment, share, subscribe, and like this video. There's much more fun and exciting new recipes waiting for foodies just like you at Culinary Recipe Creations. Join our channel and let's explore the possibilities of culinary exploration together. Until next time, keep experimenting and keep tasting. This is Chef Foodie Avatar signing off.